This tree has decided to lay itself down. I have never seen anything like it in my life. That is so funny.
Welcome back to the Mossy Creek Homestead. Hey, so now you have a little bit of context on why this video and what's going to happen here. So this tree, I think, was one of many that we left behind. We cut so many others next to it when we first moved here, and it was a pretty tree. I think this is a sycamore, and it just got so heavy up top trying to compete for sunlight, stretching up as high as it could, and we had cut all the branches down low, and it was just so skinny, so thin, and it got so heavy up top. A storm had come through, and not a big storm, but lots of rain, and I think it just got so weighted down with all the water on the leaves, it just decided to bend over, and it never did stand back up. So I had to cut this thing out, and we have another tree that's very similar to it next to it. It's a pretty maple tree, and that maple tree has the most beautiful leaves in the fall time, and I wanted to save it. I didn't want it to go the same direction as this one. So I decided I was going to
This is for our insurance
top it out.
policy.
And so here we begin topping it out.
Of all the things you've done in your lifetime, climbing the tree to get the drone and all that craziness, this is ridiculous. You are literally leaning over a huge cliff. What is your plan?
I'm going to get the ladder a little bit closer to the tree so it's not leaning on it.
Yeah, because you're going to get up there and everything's just going to break and bend and you're going to go flying down. What are you trying to accomplish? That's you. There you go. Bye.
This one is going to do exactly what the other one did.
So cut it from the bottom. Why are you going way up there? Just
You know what? It's a nice maple tree. It has pretty leaves in the fall.
so. Are you just trying to top it?
Yeah.
Well, just top it at a much shorter height.
Oh, I need it high or you're going to lose all your visibility.
Good grief. What your ladder just did is what's going to happen with you on it.
What?
What your ladder just did is what's going to happen to you when you're on it.
I was going to tie it once I got up there, but I need to get it from this angle. Hey, you don't have to worry about me. I got safety glasses on.
Don't
Wear
even.
safety glasses. You can do stuff like this.
Your little helmet and safety glasses isn't going to do anything for you.
It's safe. They wouldn't call it safety glasses if it wasn't safe when you're wearing them. It's a hack. You don't even have to wear a seatbelt if you're wearing safety glasses. Alright.
And you wonder why you have scars on your legs and a finger that doesn't bend. It's from stuff like this.
Don't tell people. All the ladies will go crazy about me.
Can you not tie that to the tree or something? It's gonna flip backwards.
Can any of y'all relate to what I'm going through at this moment? I remember as a kid, my dad doing almost the exact same thing. And my mom told him he's going to fall out of that tree. And he told her if she doesn't be quiet, he's going to jump out of that tree. This is just up in the tree, so I don't have to climb the tree a regular way.
Dumb? This is dumb? Is that what you were going to say?
It's because my safety glasses have fogged up on me. Otherwise, I'd already be up there.
This is ridiculous.
I've watched so many viral videos about ladders and trees. And it's kind of like, you know why the chicken crossed the road? It wasn't to get to the other side. The chicken actually crossed the road to prove to a possum it could be done. And that's kind of why I'm doing this ladder and tree thing. I'm proving it can be done.
It shouldn't be done. We have way too many children for you to be doing this. I'm about to call your mother.
What?
I'm about to call your mother.
She's an hour away. I'll already be done by then.
You mean already be dead by then? Yes. Doug.
All right.
This is really, really not a good idea at all.
Well.
I'd rather lose a maple tree than you. Goodness gracious. Doug, stop. It's fallen off the tree already.
Well, that's because I haven't repositioned it on my way up. I like to give Bible verses in my videos, and this scene reminded me of one. Now, I love my wife more than any person in the whole world, but this particular moment reminded me of Proverbs chapter 21, verse 9. It is better to dwell in a corner of the housetop than with a brawling woman in a wide house.
It's barely hanging on.
No, it's on.
Oh my word. Why? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have a heart attack.
More to keep my ladder safe than me. I'm perfectly fine, but my ladder may fall.
Mercy. Be safe. Oh, Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Oh, Jesus help him. Oh, goodness. It's stuck, isn't it? Ah! Ah! Goodness gracious.
That's how I planned it.
Ugh.
Smooth out this so it don't rot. telling you. Safety glasses.
No, don't even. Dumb.